Welcome to Burlingame State Campground, one of Rhode Island's largest and most popular camping destinations. Located in Charlestown and set beside the peaceful waters of Watchaug Pond, this campground offers the perfect balance between forest adventures and easy access to the ocean. Burlingame is expansive, with around 700 campsites and 20 cabins available. While the sites do not offer utilities, visitors will find plenty of convenient amenities, including restrooms with showers, a playground for kids, an arcade for rainy days, and even a camp store stocked with both essentials and souvenirs. For those who love water activities, the freshwater beach is a highlight, along with canoe rentals, a boat ramp, and plenty of opportunities to explore the pond. Nature lovers will appreciate that Burlingame Campground connects to the Burlingame Management Area and the Kimball Wildlife Sanctuary, making it easy to enjoy hiking trails and wildlife viewing right from your campsite. And when you're ready for a change of scenery, some of Rhode Island's best beaches are just minutes away, including Misquamicut State Beach, Charlestown Breachway, and East Matunuck State Beach. It's important to note a few campground rules. Check-in begins at 1 p.m., and no arrivals are allowed before this time. To respect quiet hours, check-in must be completed by 10 p.m. The main camp is reserved for tent camping only, though RV visitors can use the septic dump and water stations for a fee, even if they're not staying overnight. Burlingame State Campground is part of Rhode Island's Division of Parks and Recreation, which manages over 8,200 acres of parks, beaches, bike paths, trails, and historic sites. With more than 400 miles of coastline, serene woodlands, and breathtaking ocean views, Rhode Island offers a camping experience that is both affordable and unforgettable. Whether you're seeking a family-friendly getaway, a peaceful retreat by the pond, or easy access to the beach, Burlingame State Campground is a destination you won't want to miss.